The push-up kick-through toe touch is a dynamic exercise that combines upper body strength in your chest, shoulders, and triceps, along with core stability and flexibility. Here's how to do it correctly. Get into a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Bend your elbows to lower your body towards the floor, keeping them close to your body. Push your hands through the floor to return back up to the top of the push-up. With your core engaged for balance and stability, under control, complete the kick through by lifting your left hand off the ground, then simultaneously kick your right leg underneath your body towards the left side. Rotate your hips and torso to facilitate the movement, pivoting on your supporting hand and foot. As you kick your right leg through, reach your left hand toward your right foot to touch your toes with your hand. Reverse the movement, bringing your right leg back under your body and your left hand back to the ground to get back into the top of the push-up position. Perform another push-up, then repeat the kick through toe touch on the opposite side. Continue alternating sides for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.